Loyalty management helps you reimagine your loyalty strategy and program and create personalized, connected experiences that increase customer lifetime value. Create unique, engaging programs that fit your industry and business needs with an end-to-end platform that helps you get to market faster. Set up your program tiers and define how your members will earn points and achieve different tier status with multiple program currencies. You can make your program more engaging by configuring experiential benefits like free express shipping and automatically trigger benefit actions within Salesforce, or push them to other systems to create a connected customer experience. Assign benefits to a tier or based on member behavior. And expand your program benefits by onboarding program partners, making their products eligible for rewards and redemptions. Engage members with relevant promotions based on their behavior or based on segments you create in Customer 360 audiences. Since it's built on the Salesforce Customer 360 platform, you have all the tools you need to create lifetime loyalty, like sending timely loyalty promotions with Marketing Cloud to boost engagement. Then, as members interact with your program, you can analyze performance and program liability with Tableau CRM for loyalty management, and dig deeper to better understand your most valuable customer segments. Create personalized, connected loyalty experiences that increase customer lifetime value with loyalty management.